Hello friends, in this video we intend to go through the steps of opening an account with the IQ Option Broker through the TradingFinder website together. We click on the Go to Website option and enter the IQ Option Broker's site. We click on the Sign Up option, and through Sign Up with Email, we enter the relevant information for opening an account in this section. You enter an email that you haven't registered with before, along with a password that includes uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers and symbols, and then click on the Continue with Email option. In this section, you will see a box that states if you want to learn how to trade and familiarize yourself with the site's environment step by step. Click on the Teach Me How to Trade option. Otherwise, close this page by clicking the X option. Currently, you are in your trading cabinet at the IQ Option Broker. To verify your email, click on the Profile option and select Personal Data. Then click on Please verify your account in this section. For confirmation, an email has been sent from the broker to your registered email address. Copy the code and paste it in this section. Then click on the Continue option. Your email address has been verified, and in this section you see a box that announces you need to enter the details related to completing the opening of your account. After completing the personal details, click on the Submit option, and your account has now been verified. By clicking on the Deposit option, you can proceed to fund your account. Your account has been opened with the IQ Option Broker. Wishing you success and profitability.